In focus scenes make your footage look pro, while out of focus shots are completely unusable. But with the right tools, you'll never miss a shot. Today, you'll learn how to use the Blackmagic Camera App's rack focus controls. Whether you're filming interviews, B-rolls, or product shots, these tools will help you lock focus in with precision. So the first thing you want to do is to tap the screen to set your first autofocus point. Then select button number 1 to set it. Next, you'll want to adjust your second autofocus point and then select button number 2 to set that one. You also have the option to save a third autofocus point with button 3. Keep in mind, you can also choose your pull speed timing using the time toggle icon. This will allow you to have a longer time between the focus pull of each of your autofocus points. A quick tip would be that if you wait too long after selecting your autofocus point before selecting a button, the app will actually cancel the save, so you'll need to make your selection fairly quickly. If you select the loop mode toggle icon, the first option will go from button 1 to 2 and then back to 1 again. And the second option will go from button 1 to 2 and then from 2 to 1 and so forth. The trash icon will clear one or all points, and the play button will allow you to preview the moves before rolling as well as during the actual shot. That's it for this part of the Blackmagic Camera App series. Now that you've mastered the focus section, up next we're diving into how to record clean audio. Be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys.